A very warm good morning to all the parents, students, teachers, our ancillary staff, all our benefactors, and all those who love and care. First of all, let me wish and hope you and your family are safe and healthy as you hear me this morning. For the first time in history, we are a witness to the catastrophe and its lethal effects. Nature has given us an unprecedented warning. Thank you so much, dear parents, for your patience and understanding to the drastic changes in life during these last few months. I am extremely appreciative of our students, you parents, teachers, staff, my ancillary staff, for your positivity, flexibility, and resilience during these trying times. A huge debt of gratitude also goes to our doctors, nurses, hospital employees, first responders, and our state leaders for all they are doing to keep us safe and healthy. Our goal as Convent of Jesus and Mary Girls High School is to provide continuous educational opportunities to the students now even while schools are closed. Hence, we have resorted the virtual, that is online form of imparting education. As you are well aware, we were already in touch with you on the mobile app. The same shall be of great help to us now in these trying times. The school mobile app is updated and therefore you are requested to update the same at your end too. 16th June 2020, we shall begin with our virtual online classes. The link to join the online meeting will be sent via the school app. We have sent a detailed circular with the instructions you need to follow with the school app. Please follow it to the core and note that since we are on the online platform, we need to adhere the same, failing which your child would not be able to be a part of our program and may face many problems. Just a word of caution. As your children step on the online arena, please keep in mind their safety and security is our utmost concern, and hence request all of you not to share the links sent to you with anyone. This is very important for the safety and security of your child. This COVID pandemic has made us learn together, and hence I would request you to kindly appreciate and support our teachers as they have put in a lot of efforts. And I must say, sincere, committed efforts. You must also remember that it is equally challenging for them to handle the students on this platform. So let us together as a team, we, teachers, you as parents and management team, come forward and enrich the lives of our children. A sincere request to all of you dear parents that when your child sits for her online studies, she will sit with a uniform and I-card. I-card may be of the previous year but does not mind because I-card will only be with our students. So please see that they sit in and provide them a very silent zone where they can sit and study. Let us enjoy this time. Let us enjoy it fully, sincerely. Thanking you and assuring you, in spite of all the challenges, we should have an excellent academic year with the blessings of God. Thank you, dear parents and my students. God bless each one of you. As I continue to introduce the teachers of our high school high secondary section, I am happy that Mrs. Mary D'Souza has successfully retired after her 33 years of service. We thank her for all that she has done for our ex-students and the present students who are studying in the school. And I am happy to announce Mrs. Rekha Gurkha. She will be the new coordinator of High School Higher Secondary section, and she will also be the class teacher of 12th B. Mrs. Purvi Shah will be class teacher of 12th A. Mrs. Nikita Patel will be the class teacher of 11th A. Mrs. Anuja Makwan, class teacher of 11th B. Mrs. Aarti Bhatt, class teacher of 10th A. Mrs. Priya Padaria, class teacher of 10th B. Mrs. Kishwar Nas Sheikh, class teacher of 9th A. And Mrs. Leandra D'Souza, class teacher of 9th B. I am also happy to announce the other subject teachers of this section: Mr. Jiju Thomas, Mr. Deepak Ernest, Mr. Kalpesh Roy, Mrs. Shirin Christian, Mrs. Bhumika Parmar, Mrs. Dimple Patel, Mrs. Bindu Rathod, and Miss Renu Jose. When they come onto the platform on virtual classes, you will come to know which subjects they are teaching you. I am also happy to announce the primary sections 1 to 8, the class teachers and the subject teachers. Mrs. Mabel Simon, class teacher of 8th A and coordinator of higher primary section 6 to 8. Mrs. Krishna Salian, class teacher of 8th B. Mrs. Archana Gonzalez, class teacher of 7th A. Mrs. Perlin Darby, class teacher of 7th B. Mrs. Mercy George, class teacher of 6th A. Mrs. Nisha Parmar, class teacher of 6th B. Mrs. Debbie Fernandez, class teacher of 5th A and coordinator of the lower primary section 1 to 5 classes. Mrs. Justina Victor, class teacher of 5th B. Miss Jessie Thomas, class teacher of 4th A. Mrs. Dominica Rodriguez, class teacher of 4th B. Mrs. Julie Rodriguez, class teacher of 3A. Mrs. Sarah Chauhan, class teacher of 3B. Mrs. Joffy Philip, class teacher of 2A. And Mrs. Marian Vani, class teacher of 2B. Mrs. Shefali Lemos, class teacher of 1st A. Mrs. Monica Almeida, class teacher of 1st B. There are also the following subject teachers in these sections. They are Mrs. Martina Pinto, Mr. Quinton, Miss Hafiza Tinwala, Miss Saroj Makwan, and Sister Sushma Samad. I am very happy to also announce the coordinator and the class teachers of pre-primary section. Mrs. Joan De Santos, she is the coordinator of pre-primary section as well as the class teacher of higher KGA. Mrs. Sharmila Carvalho, class teacher of higher KGB. Mrs. Pinky Fernandez, class teacher of lower KGA. Mrs. Mercia De Cruz, class teacher of LKGB. And there are also helper teachers, Miss Veronica Gonzalez. Mrs. Archana Bhatt is our official librarian of the institution. Thank you. God bless each one of you, and I hope you have a wonderful year ahead. 2020-2021. Thank you.
Good morning, dear parents. I am Megha Sharma, PTA President. As you all know, PTA of our school is a link, a bridge between both the management as well as the parents. We have been working together as an active team with great zeal and enthusiasm for the betterment of our institution. Amidst this pandemic, while the whole country was on lockdown, we found out an alternative to keep our students engaged with studies by discussing with our respective principals and teammates through Google Meet 3 to 4 times. As a result, the children were given 5 assignments, out of which the last one was a test of 80 marks. Very soon, the school is going to start with virtual classes for all the sections. Though our teachers are not experienced or well versed with such classes, but still they'll stand up to your expectations. Instead of finding faults in them, we can opt for constructive criticism, which will help us to be closer to perfection. Like every year, this year we are going to discontinue with the sports activities like hockey, karate and basketball, keeping in mind the health of our ward. 4 of our teaching staff has retired and a member of the ancillary staff too. PTA has felicitated the teachers with rupees 10,000 each and the ancillary staff Lakshmi Ben with rupees 5,000 for their dedicated service. 2 of our PTA members, Mr. Yunus and Dr. Vishwas, had conducted a workshop on cyber world, threats and precautions for the students of 9th to 12th. PTA also wished good luck to the board students and arranged a dinner for its dedicated teacher at Hotel Revival on the Teachers' Day. Thank you, parents. Now I hand over the mic to our Vice President, Mr. Himanshu.
Good morning, parents and my dear bachas. As all you know, our PTA is very active role play in our school. વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો અને વાલીઓ, કોન્વેન્ટ જીસસ એન્ડ મેરી સ્કૂલનું પીટીએ એ સંસ્થા સાથે, ટીચરો સાથે, પ્રિન્સિપલ સાથે એક બ્રિજ બનીને કામ કરતું આવ્યું. કોવિડ-19ની મહામારીમાં જ્યારે આખું વિશ્વ આ મહામારીમાં સપડાયું હતું, ત્યારે પ્રિન્સિપલ મેડમ અને ટીચર્સના સહયોગથી આપણે 15મી તારીખથી વર્ચ્યુઅલ ક્લાસરૂમ ચાલુ કરવા જઈ રહ્યા છીએ. આપ સૌ વિદિત જ હશો કે જ્યારે ટીચર્સ એના વિદ્યાર્થીને ન મળે ત્યારે એના મનની અંદર ખૂબ જ વલોપાત થતો હોય છે. એટલે ટીચર્સ અને પ્રિન્સિપલે સાથે મળી વર્ચ્યુઅલ ક્લાસરૂમની 15 દિવસ પ્રેક્ટિસ કરી અને હવે ગૂગલથી તમારા સુધીને પહોંચશે. કદાચ આ પ્રયાસમાં વધુ સારી રીતે કઈ રીતે આપણે કરી શકીએ એ આપ અમને પણ જણાવી શકશો, જેથી અમે પ્રિન્સિપલને અને ટીચર્સને કહી શકીએ. આપ દરેક વાલી મિત્રો અને વિદ્યાર્થીઓને ઘરે રહે, સુરક્ષિત રહો એવો અમારો સંદેશ છે અને સાથે સાથે વર્ચ્યુઅલ ક્લાસમાં ભણી અને આપની કારકિર્દીને આગળ વધારો એવી શુભેચ્છા છે. થેન્ક યુ.